Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to make certain contacts ring when your iPhone is in silent mode. So right now I'll show you how you can easily do it. So go to your iPhone contacts app and now simply open the contact and tap on edit. Here scroll down and tap on ringtone, and here you will find this emergency bypass option. Emergency bypass allows sounds and vibrations from this person even when the ring switch is set to silent or when a focus is on. So all you have to need is just enable this emergency bypass option and tap on done. And now on, when your iPhone is in silent mode or if you're using any do not disturb mode, then you will still get ringtone or vibration for the specific call on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.